Okay, shall we start once again? Very good.
Yes,
Mihir also
sir.
ready? Yes.
मैं बोलूंगा
Dakshinamurti
दक्षिणाट मूर्ति अहम्मा
Sarampa Shankaracharya
शंकराचार्य
Madhyamam
मध्यमा
Ramanacharya
रमणाचार्य
Paryantam
वर्त्यन्ता
वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्
वन्दे गुरु परंपरा
वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्
वन्दे परंपरा
वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्
गुरु परा
Very good. Clap for Aira.
Ramana.
Dakshan Chatur. Namo Ramana. Dakshan Chatur, want to tell the second one. Shuklam.
Shuklam.
Bharadaram.
जरम
Balaram.
जरम
Vishnum.
Vishnu.
Shashi.
Shashi.
Varnam.
Varnam.
Chatur.
बॉडी पार्ट
Chatur.
Your friend Chatur. Chatur also means four. Chatur. Bhujam.
सर
Bhujam. Prasannavadanam.
Prasannam.
Dhyayet. Sarva Vignopa.
सर्व विष्णुप
Shantaye.
Shanti.
Very good. Clap for Dakshan Chatur. Yes. Mihir will tell the next one. Angikam.
Angikam. Gubernam. Yes. గట్టిగా వాంగయం
बैठ गया
Good, one more. Mihir. Arunachala. Rupena. Upagatam.
Tejomayam Jnanaya
Namo Ramana. Clap for Mihir. Very good. Okay. We're going to start with Mihir's favorite song. Are you all ready? Ready? Okay. Mihir, will you start the first line? Dawn is rising on Aruna Hill.
अरुणा हिल
Sweet Ramanakam.
Sweet Navanakam.
Dawn is rising on Aruna Hill. Sweet Ramanakam.
Sweet Navanakam.
Come in the bush. The koyal sings. Dear Master Ramana, come. Lord of knowledge, come. In the bush, the koyal sings. Dear Master Ramana, Come, Lord of knowledge.
Come.
Come, dawn is rising on sweet
Sweet come.
Arunachalakam.
Jalakam.
Very good. Clap for me. Does Daksh and Chatur want to type this new song? Ready? Dawn is
Ujalana.
rising. Ah,
Want to show you something?
yes, tell me. What are those laughing frogs? Frogs.
Can you
Very
put like
good.
that?
Who's looking like that? Me.
Daksh.
Daksh is looking like the beautiful
Re-
smiling frogs. Very
React.
good.
Can you put? React.
What?
Can you put react?
Huh? Okay, you sing the song. He will put the react later. Okay? Is
Now
Daksh and
you,
Chatur ready for this?
can you put react?
React. Okay. What should I react with? I'll
I want
play
the
with
options.
claps. Yes. Okay. If you sing nicely, I'll react with claps. Okay. Namo Ramana Ritesh. Are you here?
Yes.
Namo Ramana.
Sir.
Yes. We are singing one song of early morning when the sun is rising. No, that the early morning song. The early morning is called dawn. What is it called? Dawn. Okay. Are you ready to sing the dawn song? Ready?
Yes.
Daksh and Chatur will sing now. Ready? Are you ready?
What to do?
Yes. Dawn is
Means
rising
rising.
on Aruna hill.
Hill.
On Aruna hill.
You.
The hill where Ramana Tata stayed was called Aruna Hill. What is it called? Aruna Hill.
Aruna hill.
Dawn is
Means
rising
rising.
on Aruna
Aruna
Hill.
hill.
Sweet Ramana
Ramana
come.
come.
Arunachala come.
Come.
Arunachala come.
Come.
Dawn is rising.
Rising.
Dawn is rising.
Rising.
You say dawn. Dawn. Dawn
Dawn.
is rising
Rising.
It's
on
rising.
Aruna Hill.
Hill.
Sweet Ramana
Ramana come.
come. Arunachala come.
Come.
Chala come. In the bush,
In the bush.
the koil sings.
Sing.
Okay, in the bush is behind the tree. There is one koil bird. How is it singing? Coo, coo. It's singing. Okay, in the bush.
In the bush.
In the bush, the koil sings.
Sing.
Dear Master
Then
Ramana come.
come.
Dear Master
Master
Ramana come.
Ramana come.
Lord of knowledge come.
Let's come.
Lord of knowledge
Knowledge come.
come. Dawn is
Is
rising.
rising.
Dawn is.
Is rising.
Dawn is
Is
rising
rising.
on Aruna Hill. Sweet
Hey,
Ramana
Ramana
come.
come.
Arunachala come.
Come.
Arunachala come. Very good. Did you get the song Dakshan Chatur?
Yes, sir.
Clap for them. Now it's Aira's chance. Aira, do you want to sing it yourself?
I practiced at home.
Yes.
I practiced at home.
Practice at home. Very good.
I also.
You also. Or you want to sing it yourself?
Yes.
Dawn is rising
So,
on Aruna Hill. Sweet Ramana, come.
Come.
Chala, come.
Arunachalakam.
Dawn is
Is
rising
rising.
Dawn rising
dawn is
Aruna,
rising
on
on
Aruna
Aruna
Hill.
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 On Aruna Hill.
Sweet Ramana,
Ramana,
come.
come.
Ramana,
Come.
Arunachala, come.
Come.
Arunachalakam.
Bush,
Bush.
Bush.
Koil sings.
Cool. Sing.
Sings.
Singing more
Bush,
like that.
Bush.
In the bush.
Koil sings.
Sing.
Ramana, come.
Arunachalakam.
Come. I want you to sing. Dear Master,
Dear Master.
Ramana,
Ramana,
Ramana, come.
come.
Ramanakam.
Ramana, come. Lord of
Ramanakam.
knowledge, come.
Of
Lord of
knowledge,
knowledge,
come.
come. Very good. Okay. Ida, very good. Clap for Ida. Yes. Yes. Apurva, are you also ready?
I want to sing more time.
Sing more. Okay, you can sing once again with Ritish. You can sing. What do you say? Ritish, will you sing the song?
Yes.
Yes. Dawn is
Jalana.
rising.
God.
Mama,
The
Mama,
dawn is early morning. Dawn.
Jalana.
Dawn is rising.
Jalana, I want to tell you something.
Sing.
Jalana.
Yes, tell me Daksh.
I want to say hi to Ritesh.
You want to say hi to Ritish?
Hi,
Ritish, say
Ritesh.
hi to Daksh.
Hi. Hi, Dax.
Hi.
Ah,
Hi.
see. Okay. I want you to
Jalana,
listen
where
to
is
what Ritish
where
sings
is
now,
his
Daksh.
mother?
I also want to say hi to Rishi.
Dax,
Yes.
how are you?
Hi.
Hi,
Good.
Dax.
Hi. Hi, Joya.
Jalana, where Ritesh is sitting?
This is sitting.
Where?
He's asking where is Ritish's house? You mean that?
Here.
Where is
My
he
house
sitting?
I'm sitting on the
This is sitting in that chair. I
Which
can look at
place?
it. Place.
dining room.
In dining room I stayed.
What is he telling?
I sitting in chair. But I in dining hall.
In dining hall.
Dining. Dining.
It is kitchen?
Dining hall. Dining hall.
Dining hall.
Ritesh.
Dining hall. Okay. Will you listen to what Ritish sings now? Ready, Ritish? Okay, now Ritish will sing. Everybody will put their this mic on mute and they can sing with Ritish. What do you say? Ready? Dawn is rising
Dawn is rising.
on Aruna Hill.
And Aruna Hill.
Sweet Ramana, come.
Sri Ramanakam.
Arunachala, come.
Arunachalakam.
Dawn is rising
Dawn is rising.
on Aruna Hill.
Aruna Hill.
Sweet Ramana, come.
Sri Ramanakam.
Arunachala, come.
Arunachalakam.
In the bush,
In the bush,
the koel sings.
koel sings.
Dear Master Ramana,
Dear
come.
Master, come.
In the bush,
In the bush,
the koel sings.
the koel sings.
Dear Master Ramana,
Dear
come.
Master Ramana, come.
Lord of knowledge, come.
Lord
God
of
of God.
Knowledge,
come.
come. Dawn is rising
Dawn is rising
on Aruna hill.
on a hill.
Sweet Ramana, come.
Come.
Sweet
Sweet
Ramana,
Ramana, come. Arunachala, come.
Arunachalam, come.
Very good. Clap for Ritesh. Yes. Can we have is this Apurva
Sujalana.
talking to? Yes.
I put it go see.
Oh my god, I'm scared. What are those?
Can you put Riyadh?
Ah. We will do it later. Okay, once you finish singing, and then I will clap. Okay. Now we'll have. Is your name? I forgot your name. Is it Narayani? The Apurva Naveenan. Sorry. I forgot your name.
Hi, sir. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. What is your name? Is your name Apurva?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Apurva, you want to sing this song? Dawn
Yes.
is rising
See, dawn is rising
on Aruna hill.
on Aruna hill.
Sweet Ramana, come.
Sweet Ramana, come.
Arunachala, come.
Arunachala, come.
In the bush,
The bush.
in the bush, the
In the
koel
bush.
sings.
The bush.
The
The
koel,
goo.
koel sings.
Koil sings.
Sings. Dear Master Ramana, come. Dear
Dear Master Ramana, come.
Lord of knowledge, come.
Lord of knowledge, come.
Lord of knowledge,
Lord of knowledge,
knowledge, come.
come.
Dawn is rising
Dawn is rising
on Aruna hill.
on Aruna hill.
Sweet Ramana, come.
Sweet Ramana, come.
Arunachala, come.
Arunachala, Arunachala, come.
Very good. Clap for Apurva. Yes, the dawn is when the sun arises in the morning, then all the birds are sleeping like the snow. All the birds are sleeping, they all wake up. What do they do? The koel bird wakes up and they start singing. Coo, coo. It's morning. Wake up, wake up. What do they say?
Wake
Wake up. Wake up. And what does the crows do? Crows say, ka, ka, wake up. Okay. And what does the cow do? Cow also says, moo, wake up. What do they say? Wake up. Right. Okay. And what does the dogs do? Dogs say, bo, bo, wake up. Bo, 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 bo. What do they say? Wake up. Wake up. Okay. The dawn is rising. The sun has already risen up. And there's so much of light. Right? So all the animals and birds in Ramana Tata's ashram were waking up. And they were all waiting for Ramana Tata because Ramana Tata was so sweet. They're telling Ramana Tata, come quickly. What did they say? Come, come. They used to wait for Ramana Tata to come. And when Ramana Tata came, they were happy. How are they happy? Happily in Ramana Tata's ashram. What?
Loudly.
In Ramana
Yam
Tata's
Tata
ashram.
Ashram.
Happily.
Happily.
And Ramana Tata used to go to the Goshala. Which is Goshala? Where all the cows are there, no? The cow shed. He used to go there and used to see so many cows there. In Ramana Tata's ashram.
Ashram. Happy, happily.
Oh, so many.
Oh, so
Oh,
many.
so many cows I see.
Cows I see. The
Cows
See.
I see. Happily.
Happily.
loudly.
Here is a cow.
Here is the cow.
There is a cow.
There is the cow.
Here and there.
Here and there.
Amba. Amba they moo. Amba they moo. In Ramana Tata's ashram.
Ashram.
Happily.
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 When Ramana Tata used to come back to his hall, there used to be many dogs.
Above.
Oh, so many. Oh, so many. Dogs
many.
I see.
Babaw.
Dogs
Babaw.
I see. Happily.
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 Here is a dog.
Here is a dog.
There is a dog.
There is a dog.
Here and there.
Here and there.
Bow, bow, they bark.
Babaw.
Here is a dog.
Here is a dog.
There is a dog.
There is a
Here
dog.
and there.
Here and
Bow,
there.
bow, they bark.
Oh, they
In Ramana
bark.
Tata's ashram.
Ashram.
Happily.
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 So in Ramana Tata's ashram, we have heard the story of Jackie the dog. What dog?
Jackie the dog.
Jackie the dog. And the Jackie the dog used to sit on a orange cloth. Where it used to sit? On an orange cloth given by Ramana Tata. Do you know I'm wearing an orange kurta, right? Orange kurta,
Yes.
right? This color, orange color cloth, it used to sit and keep seeing Ramana Tata's face. How to see?
Can
Keep
you
seeing
see?
Ramana Tata's face. Can you all see this Ramana Tata's face? How beautiful.
How many are there?
Ramana Tata's. Ah.
How
You
many
can
are
see
there?
it. Okay. All the Jackie used to keep seeing Ramana Tata's face. Even if somebody brought some nice sweets, what is bring? Nice sweet, and the sweet was equally given to everyone. Mihir used to get one piece for Mihir Amma, and one piece
For me.
Daksh, and one piece for
Chatur.
Chatur, and one piece for Aira, and one piece for Apurva. Apurva, you want sweet? Yes, okay. And one piece for Apurva's Amma. And then one more piece for Ritesh. Ritesh, you want sweet?
Yes.
And then Ritesh Amma. And one for Rama Auntie. So everybody used to get the prasadam and everybody used to quickly eat it. What they used to do? Like this, they used to eat. But Jackie never used to eat. He used to wait until Ramana Tata had his sweet. Then Jackie also used to have his sweet. So he loved Ramana Tata so much. One day what happened when Jackie was seeing Ramana Tata's face, a stray dog, a street dog entered the ashram from the back gate. And what did he do? It saw Jackie and he thought, oh, there is a dog friend. What did he think? Dog friend. So I'll call him. So what did the stray dog do? Stray dog started barking. Bow, bow. What did he do? Bow, bow. Bow, bow. And Jackie got disturbed. What he got? He got disturbed. Then he saw the stray dog and he started barking back. What did he do? Bow, bow. I'm not going to come. Bow, bow. Go away. What did he say? Go away. But Ramana Tata told Jackie, see, if you open your eyes and look outside, you can see the other dogs, right? So close your eyes and look inside your heart. When you do that, you will not see any dog. So you will not get disturbed by anything. So immediately what did Jackie do? Jackie closed his eyes and started looking
Wait
inside
minute.
his heart. When he started looking inside his heart, he could see Ramana Tata in his heart. What he could see in his heart? Ramana Tata in his heart. So he was very, very happy. What was he? Happily. Happily. Very good. Do you remember Jackie's?
96.
Yes. Okay. Daksh, shall we sing the last Arunachala Shiva?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Daksh want to start Arunachala Shiva first. Okay. The rest of you keep listening to what Daksh says. Okay. Daksh and Chatur will sing. Join your hands. 1, 2, 3, start. Arunachala Shiva.
Arunachala Shiva.
Arunachala Shiva.
Arunachala Shiva.
Aruna.
Arunachala Shiva. Arunachala.
Arunachala.
Arunachala Shiva.
Arunachala Shiva.
Arunachala Shiva. Arunachala Shiva.
Arunachala Shiva.
Arunachala.
Arunachala.
Very good. Apurva, will you sing the next line? Arunachalamena.
Arunachalamana.
Ahame.
Ahame.
Ninaipavar.
Ninaipavar.
Ahatai.
Ahatai.
Verarpai.
Nimarpai. Veraripai.
Arunachala.
Arunachala.
Alagu.
Alagu.
Sundaram pol.
Sundaram pol.
Ahamum.
Aham.
நீயும் முற்று
ஈயமுண்டு.
அபிநமாயிருப்போம்
இனமாயிருப்போம்.
அருணாச்சலா
அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ
அருணாச்சல சிவ.
அருணாச்சல சிவ
அருணாச்சல சிவ.
அருணாச்சல சிவ
அருணாச்சல சிவ.
அருணாச்சலா
அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ
அருணாச்சல சிவ.
அருணாச்சல சிவ
அருணாச்சல சிவ.
அருணாச்சல சிவ
அருணாச்சல சிவ.
அருணாச்சலா
அருணாச்சலா.
Very good. Well, Ritish, tell the English version. Arunachala thought.
Arunachala thought.
Those who have their heart, their eye notion, uproot. Arunachala, like Alagu and Sundaram, sans I and you, to some non-dual May we be
Maybe
Arunachala.
Arunachala
Good. Ira, you want to sing Arunachala Shiva?
Arjuna Chala Shiva Arjuna Chala Shiva Arjuna Chala Aruna Chala Shiva Aruna Chala Shiva Aruna Chala.
Very good. Okay, very good. Okay. Do you want Mihir wants to sing the whole thing once again by yourself? Yes, Mihir will sing now. 1, 2, 3, start.
Arunachala Shiva Arunachala Shiva Arunachala Shiva Arunachala Shiva Jai Shiva Jai Shiva Jai Jai Shiva Jai Shiva Jai Shiva Jai Shiva Jai Shiva Jai Shiva Shiva.
Very good. Clap for Mihir.
Welcome him.
Thank you, everyone. Namo Ramana.
Ramana
Namo Ramana. Bye.
Bye, Mihir. Bye, Dakshan Chatur. Namo Ramana.
Namo Ramana.
Namo Ramana. Namo Ramana, Ritesh.
Namo Ramana.
Namo Ramana. Are you enjoying the class?
Yes.
Will you practice Dawn is Rising with Amma?
Yes.
Yes, sir. We will practice, and next week Ritesh is going to sing and dance. Okay.
On 24, we're going to dance some game.
Okay.
Yes.
Next week. Okay.
Apurva, you sing so beautifully. Will you learn the song and sing it nicely? Yes, Apurva, will you sing the song next class?
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Namo Ramana.
Namo Ramana, sir. Thank you.
Namo Ramana.
Thank you, guys.
Bye, Daksh. Bye, Ira.